Welcome to Capture IT Pro, an easy to use, functionally rich video capturing and reporting software from Ambalsoft. Capture IT Pro can be used to capture video images and data from wide variety of devices. List of medical instruments are found in the screen. Capture IT Pro connects to endoscopic device using a video capture card. It captures and stores the data. Reports can be printed out or can be given in external devices. Internet features like live streaming, email attachment, FTP upload are also available. Now let's look at the basic functionality of the software. Information screen. To enter a new patient, click Add New Patient. Enter the patient details. Here, only the first name includes all characters and it is a mandatory field. Click Save after entering the details. On clicking Save, the screen focuses on the visit information screen. To capture video, click Capture Video button. Here, snapshots can also be taken by clicking Camera or Capture or F5 button. To record video, click Start button. And to view full screen, press F10. Even in full screen mode, the images can be taken by pressing F5 button and it is intimated by a beep sound. The preview runs on pass mode. Additional features like zooming options are also available here. Now to stop the recording, click Stop button and the respective video thumbnail appears below. To play back the video, double-click the video thumbnail. Now the video is playbacked and images are also taken by dragging the cursor wherever necessary. Similarly, the capture image and capture audio buttons are used to capture image and audio respectively. For reporting, click Preview Report. The images taken will appear on the left hand side and on one click the image can be viewed. To select the images for print, double click on the images taken. Here, maximum of 18 images can be selected with minimum of 1. To add image comment, click the image from select count and add. The comments are autofill generatable. Enter the other details to be mentioned on the report. Report type can also be selected. To add report details, click Custom Input. The data can be entered from combo box or by selecting from the item list. New data can be added or it can be modified in the item list. The font can also be changed by clicking the Change Font icon. The report details are customizable. On entering the details, click Generate Report. The report is generated successfully. The report can be printed or it can also be saved in any format and in any external path. Once the visit is completed, click Visit Completed icon. Thank you. Tools. Image Editor. To edit the selected image, click Image Editor. Here we have integrated with Paint. We can also integrate it with other image editors like Photoshop, etc. It helps in adding comment or arrow marks. Once the necessary marking is done, click Save. Refresh the visit folder to see the edited image on the thumbnail. Movie Maker. To edit a video, click Movie Maker. Click OK. Our application opens the corresponding patient folder. Now drag the video to be edited into Movie Maker application. Here you can split the video and can delete the unnecessary clips. After editing, click Save to my computer. PowerPoint. For presentation purpose, the PowerPoint will be helpful. Select the images and video to be presented and click PowerPoint icon. The selected data has been added and displayed as a slide. PDF Viewer. To view the selected report, click PDF Viewer icon. Here, the application is integrated with Adobe Reader for easy viewing. Similarly, you can edit the audio file using Audio Editor icon. Burn to CD DVD. To burn to CD DVD, select the images and video and click the respective icon. Click S for compression codec. The data are added here. Now click Burn. Please wait while the burning is under progress. Data are successfully burned to the CD. Copy to pen drive. To copy to pen drive, select the datas and click the respective icon. Browse and select the folder path to copy the contents. On clicking copy, the files are copied in the desired folder. Send mail. For mailing purpose, click Send mail. Enter the email details. To add patient details, click Add Patient Visit Detail. The selected data has been attached here. Click Send. Message sent successfully. Upload to FTP side. You can upload the data in your FTP side. It is mainly used for telemedicine support. Thank you. Thank you.